Day 2, fellas. Day 2.
Day 2.
Day 3.
And we're ready.
Well, yeah, day 3 of actual shooting. Day 2 of the
Day
rifle.
1 was pistol.
Yep.
And then day 2 was the first half of the rifle
Yeah.
and the basic break barrel.
Yeah.
And then today we'll wrap it up with the second day of PCP rifle.
You guys looking forward to it?
Oh yeah.
And Randy is on fire.
He's always on fire.
Yeah, I tell you.
Good luck.
I just
Thank
do,
you.
I just do a little jig before I come out here.
I think we did a good job yesterday. Everybody shot well. We had a little bit of an out of order situation. Caused some points for some people. Pay attention to the numbers. Some of the lanes are a little bit back behind. I guess I should have mentioned that yesterday. Sorry guys. But you got to find the number. It's sort of like a scavenger hunt. You know?
We all went to school. We know how to count.
Yeah, there you go. Well, is that okay? We're good? Everybody, no questions?
all right.
All right, here's the squatty.
Squat up and shoot.
Okay.
You ready? You gonna kick some butt today?
Hope so.
Jason
Say some words of wisdom.
Aaron on 6.
Yeah, right.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. I'm gonna need it. Wife's gonna kick my butt again today.
Randy and Scott Snyder on 12. Highest scores work the hardest. Yeah, that's part of Master Director's responsibility.
Nice shot.
You got anything funny to say? We need some humor out here.
Good morning.
That's it.
That's all I got, man.
There you go.
Nice shot. Great shot. You want me to come up?
Oh, how's she doing? Oh, she's
Yeah,
kicking my
baby.
butt, I think. Is she? Not bad tall. Not bad tall.
Yeah, the first 2 shots. My gun's shooting high.
I had one miss.
Good job.
That was an offhand.
Because you're the champ.
You say champ or chump?
Both. That was a good one. There you go. You got a good line going now.
Yeah, right.
Good job.
There we go. Shot. The target's kind of aimed off to the side.
Did you get that pen working for you?
Yeah. Yeah, her gun's working great too.
I see that.
2 more, a few more clicks for good luck.
Right.
Because if you ain't clicking, something's not. Okay. There we go.
Are you delirious yet?
A little bit. Booyah!
Nice.
Center money. And you believe in me.
One more, man. One more.
Get some! God bless the United States of America. It's good to be back. God damn, I love this country. Fucking field target, homies, Pale Ale, Ashland, Oregon, Wayne Burns, the big homie Alan, Randy. Randy's a shooter.
Randy's the man.
I told Randy, don't ever let somebody tell you good luck before a shoot. And if they tell you good luck, you tell them luck's for the unprepared. Just like that. God damn, that was fun.
Good job, man. Good job.
There ain't many hunter class shooters who can hang at that level of consistency and just kill ratio.
Yep.
Takes a lot of practice
Well, you know
and an
what's
awful
really
lot
got
of
me
trigger.
happy?
Just takes a lot of trigger time.
Yep.
I did it a month ago in Nevada. Rifle and pistol. And I just did it here, rifle and pistol, I believe. Unless somebody shot.
Oh, you mean winning the whole thing?
So,
All that lead
I'm
you
happy.
shoot, all that lead dust you digest,
Yeah.
this lead settles in your ass, makes you more stable on the seat.
that's it. That's it.
That's it.
That is it. It's our story, and we're sticking
It sure
to
ain't
it.
from the sure ain't from the bullshit you're letting out, getting heavy on you.
Woo!
Randy?
Good Lord.
How it's done,
Great
my
shooting
friend.
with you.
Good
Great
work,
shooting with
man.
Okay, we'll start off with limited pistol, second place. Who we got there?
The only other person shooting.
That would be Cameron.
It's not here, but I know what it is.
Oh, awesome job, Cameron. Woo! Awesome job.
Turn around the face so you can get in the camera there. Congratulations. All right,
Thank you, buddy.
you're right. Okay,
I got a second when you get.
first place in limited pistol is probably Riz. I mean, it usually is.
Yeah. You can just toss it to him. Well, you know why he shoots that class? Because he's scared of the hunter shooters.
Ooh,
I'm shooting hunter next time.
Hi, Riz.
Over here, there's
the camera there.
oh, there's a camera too.
Rolling Rock.
All right.
And what's your
now
website
to,
again? For the
Hunter
It'll be on
pistol.
YouTube. Airguns World.
What's that?
Airguns World. YouTube.
Airgun World. Okay.
Airguns
Hunter
World.
pistol.
Plural.
Airguns World.
Yeah. One word.
The Jason. 23.
Jason Howard. Yay!
Get out the way.
Gentlemen.
Let's get over here.
Jim!
Nobody. Oh, wait here. I don't even see. Ooh.
Throw a rock at him.
He took his ear fakes out.
Take his
All
teeth
right,
out.
thank you, Grizz.
Oh, Riz isn't even us. Yeah.
Second place is Mark Gravel.
Mark,
Hey. Wow.
What? Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, he shot great. Okay, and first place is Mr. Randy Ebersol.
Oh, yeah. It's gets to be disgusting, you know. Great shooter.
Hey, what do you think it is?
Okay, don't, you need some help. All right, all right. Okay, and then first place in WFTF Pittsburgh.
Oh, the prodigal son comes home, man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Johnny Piston is returned, you know.
Can't keep them down.
It's been
Wow.
about 10 years?
Look at this, after what, 10 years
Five.
of not shooting?
5 years.
5 years of not shooting, huh? Wow.
Take some.
Okay, that's something about a bicycle?
That's that.
You never forget, right?
You know.
All right, Dave, third place. Will
Yeah,
try
good
for
shooting,
second.
Dave. Great shooting.
Excellent shooting.
49. Way to shoot, man. 49, was that the high score of the day? 49. Thank you. Wow. Nice shooting, Dave.
That was really tight at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then first place, another prodigal.
Well, we're second.
Kevin Yates.
Second place.
Second goes to Riz. Oh, I'm sorry. Let all proteges go in first, you know. It's like the Miss Good shooter is.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, and then there's
And
one more.
last but not least, Kevin Yee, 95. Great shooting.
The old lady came back.
Oh, man, came back.
I quit. I'm retired.
That's right. Okay,
The old
well,
lady
never
brought
mind.
it
He
back.
Comes out of retirement to show the kids how to do it, you know. Great shooting,
He
kid.
brought his belt to whip
But
us along.
today, you beat him, right?
By one.
By one
By
point
one, you
today,
got by
so
one
the
today.
student.
Yeah.
He got
Okay.
Game shot the high
Just keep
score of
that
the
in
day,
mind.
49,
I
yeah.
pitched it, but just a little bit.
All right,
Hunter Piston,
Unfortunately.
okay, Hunter Piston. We only got
second
first place. 'cause
place,
there's only-
Jason Howard, yeah.
Okay, second place. There it is right here. Thank you. Good shooting, man. Good shooting. Yeah. Good shooting, man. And then first
Yeah,
place, Hunter
first
Piston. I
place.
think he went home.
Yeah. Nice
Thank you
shoot
for
there.
that. Go.
Yeah, you're way ahead of me because you won.
These 40s, two good guys.
All right, man. Okay, let's move on to
Open PCP.
okay.
Open PCP.
Okay.
Third place, Mr. Burns.
Wow, thank you very much.
Great shoot, Wayne.
Yeah, it was first
And
place
Widdowson
tie.
was correct. He said Wayne's reign was over. It just wasn't by Jim. That's all.
1 point.
We tied.
No, those two tied.
for first.
They tied for first. Third place by 1 point.
Yes.
Jesus.
And there was a tie for first and second, and you guys flipped. Is that what it was? You gave them, okay. Second place was score 89. Jim Widdowson.
That was a great match. We shot together seesaw back and forth all day. It was really fun.
Scores.
Well, that's right. We ended up tied. Beat me by 1 yesterday. Okay.
And the most amazing winner of the weekend is, where's Chris Merritt?
Where is Chris Merritt?
Open PCP. Oh,
He gets his revenge.
yeah. Another protege teacher here, you know?
Take that hat off.
You gotta take that. You gotta take that.
Here. There you go.
All right. There we go. Thank you. Good shooting. What a great match.
Yeah, super
Really
good.
good.
You got it, Chris. Okay, Hunter PCP, third place.
Wait. Yeah. Third place. That's
Jessica. Third
Yeah,
what else?
Woman score.
Yes.
Okay.
Second place. Hunter PCP, Scott Snyder.
Wow.
Yeah.
A guy who can't count.
Yeah. Basic math did him in.
He would have had first place or tied.
Tied.
Would have been a tie for
right.
first if he didn't
And
shoot
that
out
would
of
have been
order.
a shoot off.
That would have, yes.
Offhand.
Yes.
Great
And be honest about it. So if that's your problem. You're too
Yeah,
honest.
we don't need to talk about first place in that class. We'll just go.
Just pass.
And
First place
not
was
again,
forfeited.
it is first place, Randy Eversole. And the high score of the match. It's rigged! It's rigged!
Holy cow.
Oh, that big over here.
You got 94.
Oh, we got one more award.
95. Kevin,
One more award.
Kevin, by the way, had the high score for the match, 95.
And that's what this award is for.
Good job, Kevin. Great shoot, Kevin.
That's right.
And Randy was second with a 94.
That's
Great
keeping the
shooting.
WFTM tradition alive. Is
What happened to open class?
Open
Come on.
Boo. Open
Who?
boo.
WFT.
Obviously, all the studs are shooting 100 class now,
Wow.
Hint, hint.
Ah, guys.
Thank
really.
y'all so much for coming.
Great
Yeah.
for having everybody.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Wayne.
Thank you, Randy.
My pleasure.
Incredible amount of work you guys did.
Yeah, thank you.
Beautiful courses.
Really, but it's our
Be
pleasure.
better next year.
It's a team effort. If you guys don't come, what good is it?
I
You know?
like green
So,
folding.
thank you for the photographer,
Yes. Alan Mack.
Alan Nash.
AirGunsWorld.com. It's
Yeah.
not quite done, but it looks better.
Get in here. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Yeah.
All right.
Next time, hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully not another 5 years, but.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, nice to meet you, sir. Thanks for shooting with her.
Thank you, John.
Good job, Wayne. Good job.
Thank you so much. Really, thanks so much for the photography. I'll make it up to you somehow.
No problem, man. I enjoyed it.
Maybe a good deal on that 1720.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Trying hard. Trying to do it.
I wish.
I got one of them too. And it's an even sand color, so
He
hey.
doesn't have any ego. At all. I worked hard for this. He sure did. Really.
Oh, she my time. She loves it. Yeah. Only one good scene you get. Only distracted back and bring her out. Much better than you. Oh, it is. How great, too. Good seeing you. Northern California.